Now, when it comes to letting ChatGPT help you write prompts, you're not limited to getting prompt ideas from ChatGPT. Instead, you can also let ChatGPT help you by asking ChatGPT which extra information could be provided by you to get a better output. And if that sounds familiar to you, that's of course the core idea behind ask before answer prompting. But you're not limited to the ask before answering prompting technique. Instead, you can of course also ask ChatGPT which extra information could improve its response after it gave you a response, by simply sending a follow-up message like this one here. Which extra information do you need to create a better tweet, or whatever you were requesting? For example, here I asked ChatGPT to give me 3 advantages of JavaScript over PHP, and it did indeed give me some decent advantages here. But nonetheless, I can of course ask ChatGPT which extra information it would need to give me a better list of advantages, and it then does tell me which extra information is needed. So even though we did not use the ask before answer technique here, I did not add this extra paragraph in my first initial prompt, we can still refine the response we got from ChatGPT by simply asking a follow-up question and then falling back to this ask before answer approach, kind of, you could say, since we do ask ChatGPT which extra information it needs. It then tells us which information is needed, and we could then provide this extra information to get a better result.